Make a great choice today with the 2021 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. And it's priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.